Hi everyone, my name is Alexandra and I'm a VBP educator, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite products, rubber base. All right, so let's get into what rubber base is. Rubber base is a thicker, more flexible gel. Think of the viscosity of in between a gel polish and a builder gel. So it's a little bit thicker than gel polish, but not quite as thick as builder gel. It also comes in a bottle and it's self-leveling for an easy peasy application. So now with this step-by-step tutorial on rubber base, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to apply it. First, we're going to start with the prep process. You're going to want to gently push back the cuticle. We're going to shape the free edge to the desired shape. And then with a buffer, today I'm using the V180 grit. We're just going to lightly buff on top of the natural nail to de-shine and take away any of that shiny surface.
That's it? Yeah, so love that.
So yep, that's it. Just as easy as that. And then I'm going to just wipe off the excess dust from the nail plate with some alcohol. Most important part, you don't want to skip the dehydrator and the super bond. So we're going to go in with the hydrator first from cuticle to free edge. And then I'm also going to apply the super bond from cuticle to free edge.
What is super bond?
So super bond acts as an adhesive for the gel product. So you won't get any of that lifting or chipping if you use this. Then we're going to go in with a base coat. I'm going to wiggle this into the nail plate using a very, very thin coat. And then I'm going to have her put this nail in and give it a 60-second cure. So now we're going to get into the fun part and use shade Forever Young.
That is my favorite shade.
Isn't it so pretty? It's like a nice dragon fruit shade.
Yes.
So I'm going to go in and use a very thin coat from cuticle to free edge. And then I'm going to give this another 60-second cure.
You cure this?
Yep, you cure it in. You also want to make sure that you're using a high quality lamp to make sure that it gives a full cure. Now, let me quickly show you on another nail my actual slip layer process. So for the slip layer, you're going to want to add a very thin layer onto the nail. Do not cure this. Then you're going to add a little bead to the uncured gel. And you're going to move it from left to right in a hovering, very light motion all the way down to the free edge. So now I'm going to be using my liner S brush and I'm going to be gliding the product to the areas that need it, just to give it that nice flush look. This rubber base, when you apply, the slip layer just self-levels beautifully and just melts so nicely. And then we're capping the free edge.
So why do you cap the free edge?
I like to cap the free edge because it helps so that the gel does not lift from the natural nail. Sometimes we'll get little particles of dust that kind of maneuver their way in between the product and the natural nail, which causes the lifting and the chipping. So capping the free edge helps prevent that.
Okay. And specifically, you like the liner S brush?
I love the liner S brush because it's that in-between length to where it's not too long, it's not too short, and it's
just right.
It's just right. Exactly what I was gonna say. Just right. And then I'm going to have you cure it for another full 60 seconds.
All right. And who do you recommend rubber base gel for?
So I recommend rubber base for anybody with kind of like damaged, weakened nails, anybody who wants to grow out their natural nails. It's not really made for extension.
Right.
So you just want to apply it to maybe like a short to medium length natural nail. And it's also used in the famous Russian manicure. This is the perfect product for that aesthetic look. Okay, and then we can go ahead and either top coat this, or you can add a design of your choice. Today we're going to be using the VBP non-wipe gel top coat. And what's really cool about this, Haley, is that you don't have to file or seal the rubber base.
No filing at all?
No filing at all.
Love that.
I know. All right, go ahead and put that in for another 60 seconds. After that, that's it. And there you have it. Just like me, I'm sure now rubber base is going to be your new favorite product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. See you soon.